Kyle, thank you very much. Overnight in Dallas, the weather sirens went off again and on again, and there wasn't any weather or an emergency. So the question is this morning, what caused the issue? And right now I'm joined on the phone by Sana Sayed with the City of Dallas. She's the spokesperson there. Good morning, Sana. Thanks for taking some time with us. First of all, I want to ask, do we know yet what caused this malfunction?
Well, I can tell you that we've had crews working on this throughout the night, and our Office of Emergency Management has been working on this since about midnight to try to figure out exactly what caused this to happen. I can tell you it does not appear to be a malfunction, and later today we will be sharing what we think caused this to happen.
And I know during that time there were a lot of people concerned about the sirens, and we're actually calling 911. Can you give us a sense of how many 911 calls came in? And there was even some reports of people saying they couldn't get through to 911.
So on a typical night, we have somewhere around 2,000 calls during an 8-hour period. So that's from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. And from 11:30 to 3 a.m., we had twice that amount. So we had somewhere around 4,400 calls, 4,400 calls between 11:30 and 3 a.m. So our spike, we saw a spike happen around 12:15 when these sirens were really starting to wake people up, and that's when we had about 800 calls. So we did experience a little bit of a wait time for the people calling us during that surge of about 6 minutes. And so, I mean, it was, as you can imagine, unexpected for us. But yeah, we had twice the number of calls in just that short amount of time.
And in your time here with the city, has this happened before?
No, this has not happened before to anything that I know of.
And was there a contingency in place for a situation like this?
So what happens in a situation like this is the Office of Emergency Management immediately starts going through protocols to figure out how to turn off the system. They were not able to remotely turn it off, which is why it took some time. And they were trying a number of things and were able to eventually turn it off. So the sirens started around 11:42 is when they were somehow activated, and by 1:20 the system was completely shut down. And to my knowledge, nothing like this has ever happened before.
And before we let you go, Sana, I wonder, any damage at all done to the sirens themselves? I know there's 156 of them throughout Dallas that were going on for quite some time. Is there any sense that they may have sustained any damage because of this?
We have engineers doing assessments on our system as we speak, but as of right now, I can say we do not anticipate any damage to our warning sirens.
Sana, we appreciate your time. That's Sana Sayed, a spokesperson with the City of Dallas, giving us a bit more information about the sirens that kept a lot of people up last night in Dallas. We hope to learn more as the day goes on. Sana, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Marcus.
All right, we turn our